Hello. Today, we will talk about daily routines. Daily routines. Daily routine means the things you do every day. Daily routine means the things you do every day. I wake up in the morning. I get up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Then, I have breakfast. I drink tea or coffee. I eat bread and cheese. After breakfast, I go to work. I go to school. I work during the day. In the evening, I go home. I have dinner with my family. I watch TV. At night, I go to bed. I sleep. This is my daily routine. Good job. See you in the next lesson.